Hit the ball.
Did you put the ball in the chair?
Daddy's.
Bonk.
Today's July 19th.
You gonna hit it? There it is.
20.5 months old.
It's behind you. Get it.
Careful. I think that golf club still needs to go outside.
Oh, no, hit the ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that needs to go outside. You're too wild.
Hit the ball.
Whoa! Good job.
Now the ball.
All right,
The
no.
ball. Griffin, the ball.
That's gonna go outside in about a minute here, bud.
Hit the ball. Where'd the ball go? I'm not the ball.
Daddy.
Griffin, who did you see at school today?
Yeah.
Who'd you see at school today?
Yeah.
Can you say who your friends are?
Yeah.
Who'd you play with?
He's pooping his pants big time.
Oh.
Oh, Martin.
Do you not want me to bother you while you're pooping, bud?
Oh, God.
Who'd you play with at school?
Mason.
Did you play with Olivia? Did you play with Olivia? Who did you see?
Oh. Yes. Yeah.
Jack.
Yeah. Yeah.
Olivia.
Yeah, Jack, Mason, and Olivia. Good job. Is that sun bright?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's bright, isn't it? Oh. Are you getting it? Are you getting the sun? Whew. What is that? What are you playing with?
One.
Is it your wagon?
That's
Yeah. You gonna hook it up?
Daddy. Daddy.
You can do it. Straighten it out.
Back.
Is there a block in there?
I got.
Hi. Can you count the blocks? Can you count the blocks? Can you show Mommy how you count? How do you count, Griffin? Griffin, can you count for Mommy?
Mine Walk.
Are you gonna count them? Oh, do you stack them?
Yeah.
Yeah?
If it's Daddy.
Good job.
Good
Daddy.
job. Can you count them?
Two. Mine. Daddy.
Look at those blocks.
Daddy.
How many are there?
Daddy.
Can you count them?
1,
Two.
2.
Wishes.
Put another one on there.
Good job.
Dad.
It's gonna fall over.
It's gonna fall. Oh! Ah!
Back.
Yeah.
Back.
That's a block.